In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to Framer. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the built-in Calendly component in Framer and how to place it so visitors can book time right on your site without bouncing to another tab. Start by going to Framer and opening the project where you want scheduling to live. Being on the canvas with a page or section selected will make placement straightforward because Framer will drop new elements right where your focus is. This keeps your structure clean and avoids hunting for the component later. Next, click Insert. You'll see this in the top toolbar. Insert opens Framer's library of ready-made elements. From layout building blocks to interactive pieces, it's the fastest way to bring common functionality into your design without writing code. Inside the Insert panel, click Forms. Even though Calendly isn't a traditional form, Framer groups it with other input and conversion-focused components, so it's easy to find when you're building sign-up or contact sections. Then click Calendly. Framer will add a Calendly component to your canvas. Think of it as a smart container for your scheduling flow. You'll typically see a placeholder at first. The component is designed to sit comfortably inside frames, stacks, or sections you've already laid out, and it respects your page's spacing, padding, and alignment. Because it's a native component, it behaves well with responsive layouts and can stretch or shrink to fit the space you've given it. Once the component is on the page, you'll notice that it's meant to display a live booking experience so visitors can pick a date and time without leaving your site. This is ideal for product demos, consultations, interviews, or any scenario where reducing friction boosts conversions. Give it enough vertical room so the calendar and time slots aren't cramped, and place it near clear context, like a short headline that sets expectations and a brief line explaining what happens after someone books. Keeping the surrounding content simple helps users focus on the decision to schedule. It's also helpful to be mindful of contrast and legibility. If your page uses a dark background, ensure the surrounding section supports clear text and visible controls. Embeds like schedulers load external resources, so overall page speed can vary with network conditions. Plan your layout so the most important content appears promptly while the scheduler becomes interactive. That's all it takes. Go to Framer, click Insert, open Forms, and click Calendly. You now have a dedicated spot on your site for effortless scheduling.